The ACK word family. This is a very important word family for English learners to master. Let's learn the ACK word family. Back, back, back. This is your back. Pack, pack, pack. Pack your book bag for school tomorrow. Sack, sack, sack. I have a sack of rice. Black, black, black. This is the color black. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack is the sound a duck makes. Snack, snack, snack. I ate an apple and an orange for a snack. Stack, stack, stack. Stack the blocks. Shack, shack, shack. That is an old shack. Backpack, backpack, backpack. That is a big backpack on his back. Track, track, track. A train is on the track.